Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make AI powered coloring book from photos. If you want to generate AI powered coloring books, so you just need a website. So just open your browser. Here tap on search bar and now just search for a website named Leonardo AI. Just search for it and then you just need to open the first website. Now just tap on get started and then the website will be opened. Here you will be able to generate a coloring book from your photos or prompt. And now you can see the website has been opened. Here just scroll down and choose the style you want. As I am going to choose this one, so just tap on it. And now scroll down and here's the prompt of this image. And you just have to tap on generate with this model. Just tap on it. And now it is going to generate something like this. So here you can see I have generated this one, and here you just have to enter your prompt. I'm going to clear this one. Here you just have to enter the prompt you want. As I'm going to enter something, as you can see I have entered the prompt, so just tap on create. And after that it will create some results for your prompt. As you can see it has created something like this, and that's how you can create comic books or coloring books from your photos, so you can do such a method. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.